Once, long ago, in the kingdom of Madura, there ruled an evil king named Kansa. King Kansa terrorized the land, and the people of Madura prayed for the gods to save them. Then there was a prophecy that the 8th child of Kansa's sister, Devaki, would be the one to defeat Kansa. Unbeknownst to anyone, this child would really be an avatar of Lord Vishnu, coming down from the heavens to protect the earth. When King Kansa heard the prophecy, he imprisoned Devaki and her husband Vasudeva and killed each child that was born, just to be safe. Finally, Devaki was pregnant with her 8th child. Across the land, in a small village called Gokul, another woman, Yashoda, was expecting her first child with her husband Nanda. And that is where our story begins.